External combustion engine. These are those heat engines in which an external source is used for fuel combustion. In this engine, heat is generated by burning fuel in the lower part of the boiler. This heat is used to convert water into steam. The steam produced by fuel combustion expands and exerts pressure on the piston inside the cylinder. In this type of engines, the gases produced as a result of fuel combustion interact with the engine mechanism and produce motion and perform useful work. Because the combustion process takes place separately, these engines are generally larger than internal combustion engines. Example: steam engines, etc. This type of engines is often used in thermal power plants, some railway engines, boilers, etc. Apart from this, the engine used in road rollers is also of this type.